Hello students, hope you are doing well at home. In my first video, I have discussed about the kinds of sentence according to their use. Now in this video, I am discussing about the type of sentence according to their form or structure. So let's see. According to structure, types of sentences. Before we continue types of sentences according to structure, we should know few concepts. What are clauses? That is independent and dependent. Next is conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating. So we should clear about these four topics. Clauses. A dependent clause has a subject and predicate but do not express a complete thought. Dependent clause में subject और predicate होता है but it is not expressing complete thought. For example, during the Japanese occupation while she was crying. So complete thought या complete meaning is not there, but there is subject and predicate both. Now next is independent clause. Consists of a subject and predicate and has a complete thought. A sentence is an independent clause. So independent clause can be a sentence and it has complete meaning. My favorite dish is dal with rice. And second one is the festival lasted for months. So these both are example of independent clause. Now conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction called coordinators joins words, phrases and independent clauses. Coordinating conjunction, coordinators we tell them, and words, phrase और independent clause को वो join करता है. These are mainly and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. In short, we can call it fanboys. What we call it? Fanboys. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Now next is subordinating conjunctions called subordinates. Join subordinate clause. Dependent clause to main clause. So main clause को it joined with the subordinate clause. For example, although, because, if, before, how, once, since, until, when, where, whether, while, after, as soon as, even if. So there are so many subordinating conjunctions. Now our main topic is types of sentences according to structure, in which first is simple sentence. Consist of only one independent clause. इसमें सिर्फ एक independent clause होता है. It contains a subject and a predicate. Subject or predicate both is there. Expresses complete thought. Complete thought is there. No presence of dependent clause. Dependent clause will not be there. Now so many examples are there. Ram and Raghav finished their project 2 days ago. Second one is I eat pasta and pizza during the town festival. Now third one is the singer and her father performs and graces the competition yesterday. So these all three are examples of simple sentences. Now second is compound sentence. Consists of at least two independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunction. We can call it coordinators. So दो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होंगे, वो किससे ज्वाइन होंगे? कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से. सेकेंडली, नो प्रेजेंस ऑफ डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इन कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज विल नॉट बी देयर. नाउ एग्जाम्पल्स वी कैन सी. Soumya wants to dance but. So what but is coordinators. Raj chooses to sing for tomorrow's talent competition. So these two are joined with the coordinator but. Now second example, cats are deemed to be a good companion by many yet. Now yet here is coordinator. Dogs are still man's best friend. So we can see that this is the compound sentence. Now third one is complex sentence. A complex sentence consists of independent clause and at least one dependent clause. So there should be one dependent clause should be there, joined by subordinating conjunction or relative pronoun. So subordinating conjunction or one subordinator should be there. Let's take examples. Ramesh prepares dinner while Raju watches the television. So red is denoting dependent clause and blue is denoting independent clause, and they are joined by the subordinator. So in first sentence, while is subordinator. Second example, the trees are regaining their leaves because the season of spring is fast approaching. Now dependent clause red, blue one is independent clause, and what is subordinator? Because is subordinator here. The third one is my friends left my house when the clock strikes 9 in the evening. Now what is subordinator? When. We can say it is relative pronoun. Now next is compound complex sentence consists of at least two independents and one or more dependent clauses. So at least two independents there and one or more dependent clause can be there. Let's take an examples. I like mathematics, but my brother likes biology because he wants to be a doctor. Now in compound complex, what we see, blue is indicating independent clause, red is indicating dependent clause. Two dependent clause are there. I like mathematics, my brother likes biology. And now in italic words, blue you can see because is subordinator here, which is joining both of them. Now in second example, the doctor attends to the sick infant while a nurse helps him and an attendant waits for his instruction. Now red one is dependent clause, blue one is independent clause, and red is dependent clause, and they are joined with the and while. And here is coordinators, and this italic one is subordinator. In first one also but is coordinator, and in italic you can see because is subordinator. So there is the combination of coordinators, subordinators, independent clause and dependent clause. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.